Welcome back, and thank you for joining me on my update about the build. Today I'm going to be walking you guys through how I dropped out the transmission and engine from my car. First, I got started by disconnecting those wiring harness clips there, along with the starter and the ground, the distributor cap and rotor, got that out of the way. There's a little cable that actually went from the throttle down to the transmission, which I'm guessing is a weird automatic thing, or whatever. So got everything taken care of up top. If we come down to the bottom here, got the inspection plate off along with the brace that goes from the transmission to the engine, and both axles, the headers, even have the automatic shift linkage just dangling right there. Just attached it from the inside of the transmission. So pretty much everything is disconnected and it is ready to come out. The last things that I need to disconnect are going to be the mounts, the torque mount here, and then the bell housing bolts. After that, it'll be ready to drop out. Just look how disgusting that is. So we fast forward to the next day here. I actually unboxed my manual transmission that came in the mail. Yeah, I purchased this off of eBay. We're gonna see how this one goes. Didn't have much information on the post, just said that it shifted well, no grinding, nothing like that. But it didn't say how many miles were on it, nothing. So we're really praying on this one. I kind of just sent it, and I saw it come up one day and for a decent price, and I grabbed it. So it is a 97 Integra transmission, so hopefully there's no problem with mine being a 98. I don't see there being any issue. But yeah, pretty much got everything out of the engine bay here. You can see it's just dirty and crusty at the moment. Same as my engine was, but I took it to the side here and used some good old Purple Power and dish soap and water to clean this bad boy off. So just covered up all the holes you don't want water getting in, of course, and I just, went to town on it. So it looks a lot better than it did. It was just disgustingly slimy, grimy, greasy, everything nastiness. So now you can see the silver on the block. Look at that. So now it's presentable to take to the machine shop where I actually dropped it off last week. Super hyped on that. This is going to be my first time attempting to assemble an engine, so we'll cross our fingers there. Hope I do everything correctly. This is another big step that I got finished today in the conversion. With the automatics, there's a little piece of metal that covers where the shift cable comes out of. It's this guy right here, and it's just welded to the bottom of the car there. So in order to take that out, you just have to drill out those spot welds. And I believe there was about 7 of them. And then I used a pry bar and a 3-pound mallet to basically just hammer it off. You know what I mean? It took a while. It took about an hour of hammering to get that thing off. I only managed to mangle the bottom corner there. Nothing else came out too rough. So I was pretty stoked on that. It's a huge step accomplished. So it's ready for the shift linkage to go in. If we come over here to the engine bay again, we'll go over a few plans that I have and actually things that I've already done in videotape, so you guys can be expecting the videos soon. The motor mounts, when I pulled out the engine, they were all done. They were all shot. The cores were coming out of them. It was a mess. So we're going to be going with some Hasport motor mounts. I'm going to be buying their automatic to manual conversion mount that they make for Integras, which is super awesome, along with power steering delete kit, and I'm actually going to be buying a new rack and pinion as well. So I'm going to get the Chase Bay's power steering delete kit, so that helps relieve pressure with their baffled reservoir. It's essentially just looping the lines through that reservoir to help relieve pressure, so you don't blow out seals, which I don't want to do in a brand new rack and pinion. Here is the final product of me detailing this engine bay for about 6 hours. It looks gorgeous. Look at it. It's beauty. It's amazing. So, yeah, like I said, it took me about 6 hours to get it to where it is. It looks pristine now. I could eat off of it if I wanted to. So I wasn't trying to get this thing show car ready, but I just want it to look really clean, really nice. Second step here in the conversion is that clutch master cylinder. So got that hooked up along with the clutch pedal. Let's see here, I actually purchased a whole manual clutch pedal assembly from eBay, or whole manual assembly. So got the clutch pedal in there, and I actually swapped out the brake pedal from the manual assembly into my automatic assembly because the manual one I ordered had a cruise control thing on the gas pedal that I didn't like, blah 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 blah. Anyways, yeah, just switched those out, it was good to go. So also have the plate that's going to go over that hole painted up and ready to go. We're just gonna, like I said, put that plate there, some bolts and lock nuts, and use some gasket sealer to seal it up so we don't have any leaking or anything from underneath. But yeah, we made a ton of progress over the past 2 days on this. By we, I mean myself. I don't know why I said that. Let's take another look at this gorgeous bay, lit up and clean. Again, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for joining me, and stay tuned. We'll see you soon.